I Am Creator Website Builder Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. I Am Creator is a website builder designed for simplicity and creativity, making it an appealing choice for artists, small businesses, and nonprofits looking to build visually impressive websites without coding. Let's break down its key features, strengths, and weaknesses. Features: I Am Creator offers a drag-and-drop editor, mobile-friendly templates, e-commerce functionality, and SEO tools. The standout feature is its pre-designed templates tailored to creative industries like photography, design, and fashion. The platform also includes unlimited hosting and bandwidth in its premium plans and allows for white label solutions, perfect for agencies. Strengths: I Am Creator shines in its ease of use, requiring no technical skills. The editor is intuitive, allowing users to create beautiful websites quickly. Its templates are polished and responsive, ensuring a professional look across devices. For creatives, the visual appeal is a major advantage. Additionally, the platform's licensing model makes it free for students, artists, and nonprofits, making it cost-effective for budget-conscious users. The inclusion of e-commerce tools means users can also set up online stores seamlessly. Weaknesses: despite its simplicity, I Am Creator has limitations. The editor lacks advanced customization options, which may frustrate users wanting more control over design elements. Compared to competitors, the e-commerce features are basic, making it less suitable for large-scale online stores. The platform also doesn't support a robust app marketplace, limiting its extendability for advanced features. Finally, while it's free for certain users, others may find its pricing for premium plans slightly higher than expected, given its limited advanced functionality. Who it's for: I Am Creator is best for individuals or businesses prioritizing aesthetics and simplicity over complexity. Artists, freelancers, small business owners, and nonprofits will appreciate its design-focused approach and affordability. However, users needing extensive customization or enterprise-level e-commerce might find better options elsewhere. Conclusion: I Am Creator is a solid choice for users seeking an easy-to-use platform to create stunning websites without technical know-how. Its strengths lie in its design-centric templates, user-friendly interface, and affordability for creatives and nonprofits. While it may not cater to advanced customization or large-scale online stores, it excels in delivering value for its target audience. If you need a quick, visually appealing website, I Am Creator is worth considering.